So we are starting exercise 1.6 today. If x and y are two sets such that n x equal to 17, and y is equal to 23, and n x union y is equal to 38, we have to find the value of n x intersection y. So I hope you guys have seen the video which I have forwarded it to you guys. So first thing, so what are the facts that are given in the question we need to write? That is nx is equal to what? 17. Ny is equal to 23, and n of x union y, that is equal to 38. But we know the formula of n of x union y, right? The formula, but n of x union y, what is the formula? It is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. That's the formula. So we have to find this thing. So let us take this one the other side and this one this side. Okay, so if I take this one this side, so it becomes minus 2, it becomes plus. So n of x intersection y is equal to nx plus ny minus n of x union y. So it becomes 17 plus 23 minus 38, and that is equal to 2. Am I clear? So that's the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2, it is the same thing, so please do it. So here they are saying that if x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements. Now it has 18 elements means what? N of x union y is equal to 18. Basically n of x union y means number of elements of x union y. So question number 2 will be homework for you guys. It's very simple, so please do it. Question number 3. In a group of 400 people, 250 speak Hindi, 200 speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? So what I will do is, so they're talking about people speaking in Hindi and English. So first thing for question number 3, what I will do is, so I write H be the set for people speaking in Hindi. Okay, and what was the other one? Hindi and English. So we'll write obviously H, so we'll write E with a set for people speaking in English. Okay, now if these are true, so can anybody tell me what is NH? NH will be what? Number of people speaking in Hindi. So how many is that? It's 250. Okay, so that is 250, and NE is equal to what? Number of people speaking in English, so that is 200. Am I clear? So this one we have. Now they are saying that in a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. So this 400 people represent what? This 400 people represents the N of H union E, the total number of people speaking in Hindi plus the people speaking in English. So that is 400 people. Clear? And they have asked you to do what? They have asked you to find that how many people speak both Hindi and English. You see this and in here, and signifies union. Okay, and signifies union. Therefore N of H intersection E, this is the thing which you have to find, and we already know the formula, that is NH plus NE minus N of H union E, and that is equal to what? NH is what? 250 plus 200 minus 400, so that is equal to 50 people speaks both Hindi and English. Okay, Now question number 4. So again you see in question number 4 they have given that S and T are two sets such that S is equal to 21 elements, T is equal to 32 elements, and S intersection T has 11 elements. Here S intersection T is given and you have to find S union T. So this one also homework, so please do it. Very easy. Question number 5. If X and Y are two sets such that X is equal to 40 elements and X union Y is equal to 60 elements, and X intersection Y has 10 elements, how many elements does Y have? This one is also very easy. You know the formula, that is what? N of X union Y is equal to NX plus NY minus N of X intersection Y. This formula. And in here, what are the values they have given? They have given the values of NX. This one value is given. Then they have given the value of X union Y. This one value is also given. And they have given the value of this one. And what you have to find? This one. It's very easy to find. Just put those values and find NY. Okay. Now question number 6. Let's move on to question number 6. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? Now here 37 like coffee. Okay, 37 like coffee means what? So let's go to question 6. 37. Now first thing I will write C people who likes coffee. Set of people who likes coffee, and T will be set of people who likes tea, right? Now how much is NC is equal to? NC is equal to how much? NC is equal to 37 and NT is equal to how much? NT is equal to 52. Now one thing, they have mentioned one statement in the sentence, in the question, that each person like at least one of the two drinks. It means what? There is no such person who doesn't like coffee and tea at all. So each person can like coffee or can like tea or both. Okay, so it means what? This 70 people will have all the people who like coffee or tea or both, right? So this 70 people basically means N of C union T is equal to 70. Okay, and they have asked us to find what? How many people like both coffee and tea? And I already discussed and means what? Intersection. So we have to find N of C intersection T is equal to, how much will it be? 37 plus 52 minus 70. So that comes out to be 22. Okay, so that's your answer. Now question was 7. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket, and how many like tennis? Yes, this one is a good question. So let's do question number 7. So first thing again, so let us write C and T. C, set of people who likes cricket, and T, set of people who likes tennis. Okay, so then we have to find what? Then NC is given, that is 40. NC is equal to 40, and then what is given? Then like both a cricket and tennis. So N C intersection T is given. So N of C intersection T is given, and that is, how much was it? It was 10. Then what is given? Then we have to find how many like tennis only and not cricket, and how many like tennis. So let's do one thing. Let us use Venn diagrams in here. Let us use Venn diagram in here. Acha, another thing, in a group of 65 people, so so n union n of C union T is also given, that is 65. Okay, now by using uh, Venn diagram, let's solve this question. So what do we have? This is our universal set. Now to that we have, this is our cricket and this is our tennis. So now the people who likes both tennis and cricket, it will come in the middle. So here it will be 10. Okay, now people loving cricket is what, 40. Okay, so this portion is 10, it is within the cricket set. So this portion will be how much? So this portion will be how much? It will be how much? 40 minus 10. 40 minus 10, it will be 30, because 30 plus 10, that makes 40, that makes NC 40, right? Understood? So this outer portion, that will be 30. Clear? Now if this is 10, this is 30. Now look at here, NC union T. NC union T is what? 65. If this region is 30, this region is 10, so this region will be what? This basically, NC union T is what? NC union T is which region? This is your NC union T, right? This region is your NC union T. Now if this is 30, this is 10, and the total is 65, so can't I say that the number of people, write down the number of people what was that, likes tennis only, not cricket. The number of people like tennis only, not cricket, is equal to how much? Look, total is what? 65. 65 minus 30 plus 10, that is the number of people. So it is this region we are talking about, and that is how much? 65 minus 30 plus 10, and that is equal to 65 minus 40, that is equal to 25. So this region we got as how much? So this region is 25. Okay, now after this, the next question is that how many like tennis? So it will be very easy. So they have asked you to find NT, and from the Venn diagram what you see, that NT will be 25, this 25 plus 10, because NT will be what? All the elements which are present in the set T, right? So that will be 25 plus 10, that is 35. Okay, so that's how we do question number 7. Now question number 8. In a committee, 50 people speak French, 20 people speak Spanish, and 10 people speak both Spanish and French. How many speak at least one of these two languages? Look at here. In here, what are given? I want you guys to do this question. What are given? I will just give you some hints. So 50 people speaking French, so it will be what? NF is given. So NF is equal to 50. Other thing is given is that 20 people speak Spanish, so NS is equal to 20, and 10 people speak both Spanish and French, so it means what? What are given? N of F intersection S, that is given 10. Now they have asked you to do what? They have asked you to find how many people speak at least one of these two languages. So at least one of the two languages means what? Either people speaking French, or people speaking Spanish, or they are speaking French and Spanish both. So it means what? All of the necessary conditions are included in here. So it means what? That basically means that at least one of the two languages. When they ask you this thing, it means they have asked you to find N of F union S. Okay, so please try to write all of those things like a previous questions, how I define those things. That first I will define F colon set of people who like French. So this one will be what? NF plus NS minus N of F intersection S. Clear? So that is equal to what? 50 plus 20 minus 10. So how much is that? It is 60. So that's my answer. Okay, clear?